Sometimes we will write music that doesn't fit well into a pattern. Wouldn't it be convenient if you could cut our pattern to a fitting size? That's what we're doing now. Luckily, we already laid the foundation for that by coding the cut pattern function. Let's implement it now. Let me correct a mistake which didn't attract my attention for now. Let's play around a little bit. Now let's code the copy functionality. We want to copy and paste a selection that we can draw with our mouse. We use key C for copy and P for paste, obviously. We write exception handling for the large gaps between our channels. The coordinates of our starting and endpoints for the copy function must not neglect these. While we're at it, let's also program the cancel button. When we draw a field via mouse, we need the software to recognize when our finger leaves the left mouse button. This will be the endpoint of our selection. We're implementing P and C button. Let's declare some missing variables. Okay, here's the actual copy function. We write data from the VRAM into a copy array that we also need to declare. Now the paste function. Please take note that the action counter here is probably not really needed. I still implemented it though. Might as well just delete it, or we need to count the amount of commands we will paste additional to the stuff we already have. It was never an issue though, so I might as well just leave it out in the future. We need to tell our function that it shouldn't paste stuff outside of the scope of the VRAM, or else there is some weird stuff going on because we're causing an overflow in the VRAM. I will add green text that will explain what's going on here. Wait for it. Again, another correction. Okay, ready to go. Let's put in some notes here. All we have to do is click the point from which we want to start our selection and hold it to the point where we want to stop. I will do the graphics in a future video, excuse me for that. After making the selection, we just have to press C for copy and then go to the point where we want to paste our stuff and press P there. It might look like that we paste stuff outside of the scope of the VRAM, but we excluded that by writing an if condition.